Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in beautiful Maysville, Kentucky, heading to Virginia to pick up a pretty special car. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoy the views of the mountains out here. And anyways, let's get rolling. Here she is. The reason I drove 1,050 miles, 17 hours each way. 1959 Impala Convertible. The special thing about, now will this door open? Yeah. This one will? Okay. The special thing on this car, it's a factory 4-speed because there's no shifter in the column there. And it's also a 348 car. There's the cross flags. It's a 280 horse, right, Dave? 280 horse tri-power. So I've got the exact same car, just in a hardtop form. So this is going to my my personal stash. Someday she'll look beautiful again. Right now we're a little ways from that. You know, no floors. Got some 2x4s holding the rocker together. Does roll. Comes with a motor. Comes with a transmission, and a bunch of spare parts. A little assembly required. As you can see, the tail pan's gone, but it is what it is. It exists. All right, let's get it loaded. I'm impressed with these guys.
I seen that blue body, I thought, man,
and they're depressed about fixing this. But this car came with a convertible. It was a two-door hardtop, and they are just going to work here. Gonna rebuild the back end. How are you, Susan? Good. This is the lady, the wonderful lady who held that car for me for a month so I can get out here. But this Biscayne body is gonna be the rear end on that car, so a lot of work ahead of them, but they can do it. They also have a pink 59. This is out of Chicago. My buddy of mine used to own it. Crazy rocket fuel. Got milk. But this is the Santa Express. Pretty neat old car. Just kind of a hodgepodge of stuff, but that's cool right there, the Santa Express. "2,010 miles later, we are home." The 59 convertible made it in one piece. Well, the rocker broke, but it wasn't really being held on with much, so thought the 2x4s would kind of support it, but can't support it when the whole thing breaks off. But yeah, she's a cream puff, but she is she's home finally. Everything is there, it's just the metal, you know, there's so much rot in the floors. But it is a true 1959 black on red Impala Convertible. Factory 348, 280 horse tri-power, factory 4-speed. So talking about the tri-power here, this is the block that came with it. It's just a short block. It does spin. This is inverted here. I'm gonna try to turn it around. As you guys can see, this is a later built block, but right there is the money shot, FA. That means 280 horse, 3 2s, so tri-power behind a manual transmission. The date code is F26 1959, so June 26th 1959. F is the 6th digit in the alphabet. June is the 6th month. 375-5011, so it's a 59 through 61 block. Obviously is indicated there, but it is a true tri-power engine. The transmission was gone. This is a 62 style transmission. 59 would only have 3 mounting holes here versus the 5. But it's cool that I do have a all aluminum 4-speed, which would have been behind a Corvette motor or 409. Here is the tri-power. It's dated A8 1959, so January 8th. So it's an earlier tri-power, but it is all 59. And the bell housing is E24 1960. So May 24, so not the same year, but still it is a true 59-60 era tri-power and tri-power motor. So pretty cool there, got that. But this is all for the video today, you guys. I didn't film myself driving home because that's kind of boring. If you guys want to see that in the future, let me know. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like rating, comment, any thoughts, questions, concerns. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe as I post all my finds. Also, if you guys have any leads or know anyone that owns a 1958 through 1964 GM full-size convertible, so Impala, Le Mans, anything like that that's a full-size 58 to 64 GM convertible, hardtop, wagon, whatever it is, please email me or comment and I will get in touch with you. I'm always looking for these cars. I'm always looking to buy. We'll pay a finder's fee, all that good stuff. But thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I will catch you next time.